Hello and welcome to Trade Pro Labs. Today we are at AIBC Malta. Right now we've got Jayden Sage with us today, an amazing guy, amazing speaker. Today we're going to ask him a little bit about himself, his background, and what he's doing in the space right now. Jayden, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yes, so I've been in this space for 12 years now, and I've been an investor, advisor. I had a mining operation. So basically, I've done the gamut of whatever people do in crypto. So now I'm an advisor to Web3 projects. We also have a fund that invests in Web3 projects as well. I run Global Crypto Council that advises governments on crypto adoption.
Wow.
So it's a little bit of everything to move the narrative forward, whether it's through investment, advisement, or advising governments.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So right now you're advising the government of America, right? Or
Yeah, different components. Believe it or not, there's approximately 2,000 government entities within the U.S. because you have the federal, you have the state, then you have the local jurisdictions, and they all in the U.S. kind of compete with each other. The states compete, the local jurisdictions compete. So they are all looking at crypto and trying to figure out what the best approach is to incorporate it without going too far ahead, because crypto operates in volatile terms, and they need to step in slowly rather than aggressively.
Amazing. We obviously at Trade Pro Labs believe in mass adoption. This is one of the most important things we want. We want to drive that in every way, shape, and form. I believe Jayden is actually one of the pioneers in the space by advising in respect to what is crypto, how to work with it. We want governments to be more adaptive of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 overall. So tell us a little bit about the projects you're busy with, or give some information to the startups out there and what they can do right now in this volatile market.
Yeah, so volatility is part of the game in crypto. So accept it. Once you accept it, you won't get excited anymore whenever there's an upturn, and you won't get depressed whenever there's a downturn. Know that this is where the opportunity also lies, because when it goes down, this is the opportunity to build. So you go into build mode, and when the market is moving really fast again, then that's your time to expose your product and grow your business and get your funding. So this is the time to build rather than get depressed or think that it's over. I've seen enough cycles over 12 years in crypto that what goes down comes back up, but what goes up also comes down. This is the nature of the beast. It operates on Wall Street, it operates in crypto. So that's a benefit for the industry. Every time crypto goes down, it takes with it the bad projects. And it also makes the startups that have certain things that they need to work on, they need to fix those things. Because in a good market, everything works, right? A rising tide lifts all boats. So you need to be aware that your product needs to be more improved for the down market. So if you build from that perspective, your product only gets stronger for the good markets.
Amazing. Today I was speaking, and exactly what you were saying, I was talking about the example of a surfer. So a surfer needs to understand that when he gets onto that board, he's going to get hit by a wave and get wiped out. And when he's at the bottom, another wave might topple him over. But the surfer needs to still know that he still needs to get back on the board, so because there's so many other waves on the way, and he can always get on the wave. In that same analogy, I would like to add that, hey, startups, you need to be able to build. If you're going to go through these difficult times, whether it's a bull market or bear market, as an entrepreneur, you need to know that this is part of the game, this is part of the journey. Whether it's a good time or a bad time, success or failure is dependent on you guys. You have total control over that. If the things are bad right now and the market is volatile, you need to take advantage of it. Every situation is an advantage to you, whether you like it or not, just the way you look at it and your approach towards it. So I would like to hear a bit more about what you're busy with, some projects, anything you'd like to talk about?
I want to take your analogy a little further. So for startups, for investors, for everybody in crypto, the key is not to be, this is what we say to our group of companies that we advise or invest in. The key is to go beyond becoming a surfer to becoming a boat builder. So once you get yourself on a boat, high tide, low tide, rough waters become far more irrelevant because you're on a boat now. So the key is to build your business so you're building a ship, and that ship can navigate through any waters.
Amazing, amazing. You better build that boat very strong and big, guys. Go big.
Always. The same amount of effort is required to build something small or to build something big. So you might as well just go big. if you fail big, you will also learn big. And when you're going big, you'll meet the contacts and the people that you aspire to become big. So you will start right there with your big network to build your next big project. Life is too short to start small and try to build yourself up. Go big, fail, go big, fail, go big, succeed.
Amazing, amazing. I'd like to thank Jayden for your time today. Really appreciate you having this interview with us. And guys, if you like, please like, share, subscribe, and see us on the next video. Thank you, Jayden, for all your time today. I really appreciate you. Thank you.